NTP Shikatup Kubo and the Janmiat, Shaban Paj, Kubo, Kibubnia, in your pitch, Waikimat Bukongsan. Butong Gasoka Jalab and Siudep Yakaram Kabat Ruspa and Rupsau Klur Tinka Shaka NTPC tak ada usnam Ahajar Arpunyo. Banjur uba AL Hek ba kaseng BJP kan job bonteli kishuki hak election jong kayung dobar tauan ke jela ke Bansalong hausnam Ahajar Arpupra. Kajeng nang hiar jong ke hawa yam kalapan kuslai jengmut yo menteri ketnat boarding U80 mondal bat ong balada ke sun beneng kayai beteng banrang kesoka kan hab ban shim de kiweipat kisinjam ban pendap ya ke jengdon kam boarding. But on sedang penteri kamno ya ke Meghalaya House Bangalore tak ada ubnai no pra pentip ke sorkar ba ke jing penkre kalaya chikmat. Ki khubo ke punya. Menteri berkemi ya ketnat boarding U80 mondal ong ba ke sorkar kan sebut thong ban pendap ya karam ke ba Ruspa Rusau Klur Tingka ke basa Shakan National Thermal Power Corporation lani NTPC tak ada usnam Ahajar Arpunyo. Ulaong bagasroka kalatrei shitom ban siu dep lut ya baro kiram ki banang kieu kap nang mi kisnam. Ulai yathu ru baya karam ke basyaka nipko ke power grid ke NTPC bat kiwe lala ban siu lut. Ula pentip balai na karam badangsa syaka NTPC ke jela kam don syu kiwe pat kiram hakabe dai bat ke boarding.
Last 2 years we were working hard to repay the dues accumulated for the central utilities like NEPCO, NSPC, even wheeling charge of power grid, OTPC and all these things. Now we have neutralized all. We don't have any dues so far. Then the current charges, maybe this month's charges will be paid next month or 1-2 months will be there, not like that 1 year complete due and all this thing. We have some dues with NTPC, that is the dues which accumulate for over the years. It was around 664 crore. We are targeting that by 27 we will neutralize that dues also.
Wala kaseng BJP haduk menta ke kelempat la ban yo bon ke jingjok ba ke jingkon election syag jela Meghalaya. Menteri Kesokar ubolong ru unong elam barang ba kaseng BJP uba AL Hek ula kentu ya kinong elam jong kaseng bat kinong kershan bakin yaisha bat banjur ba kaseng BJP kan sayo banyalam ya Kesokar ha Meghalaya hausnam Ahajar Arpupra hadien bala dep ke election syag yang dobar tauan ke jela. Habikran bakilap patai khubor uba hek ulapen kan mau bahagasian ban ningkong batawi kaseng BJP ki don tang arngut ki MP hakayeng dobar parlimen Henry menta kala don palat arspa saupongut ki MP ulaong bahaga kakam sain hima sima baro kala ban urlong bat ong ya kinong kershan bakim day bandu mensim.
When they started for this 1984 like that only they started with 2 MP, they come to 10 MP, to 30 MP, to 100 MP, to 200 MP. Some election they come also, they cross 300 plus also. So this is politics. Politics we cannot predict from now on. A will be happening and BJP is doing very well in all the whole country, and this is not far for Meghalaya and other northeastern states also.
Menteri berkemi ketenat boarding U80 mondal ulapan pawi ke jing sngokia halo ke jing nang hiar jong ko hakawa yam nak daw jong ke jing bombyang jong uslam ke bala pat ban keta ke jing penmi boarding ha ke jela. Habikran bagila patai khubor uneu menteri ulaong baya menta ke jing don jong ko kadang la ban pendap ya ke jing don kam boarding. Henry lada slap no ke jela ke hak banwa de ki weipat kilat ke lenti ban pendap ya ke jing don kam boarding. Katkum ka jing thau ha ka khat sau trik unai pa yam ka lahiar syaka laihjar shispa prapu arput nak daw jong ka jing bam hap slam ha kini khendiat sngi belaleng.
Water is not there, it is a matter of concern. It is not that it is not a matter of concern. We wish that water will come soon and fill up the reservoir. We are working closely. I am more tense than you are. Releasing water is not a question that we are releasing water to just go out of the reservoir. The way you are telling that we are releasing the water outside of our tunnels and all these things. No, when energy will be generated, water will reset automatically. No, lean period last time, yes, we had sufficient power with us, so we thought that as power is already available with us, let us close this gate. So that's how we got more water accumulated in the reservoir.
Ka sorka jela mentagasngi ke lapentip batat haduk ke bekut jong ubenai no pra onla ban pleno e ke Meghalaya House Bangalore. Kini ke jing pentip ke lami hadian bega kenhun jong kena puli ke lapen pawe ke jing sngokhia halo ke jing penslam ban bu e ke Meghalaya House ha ke tei ke jela. Aba pentip e ke ni menteri bekhmi e ke tenat puli puthi urakam e sangma ulapen kenma ba ke kenhun ki menteri ke ladap rai ban thiet e ke jaka bat ke yeng Bangalore bat ke jing penkre e ke lajan dap. Uleh tu syuk-syuk bala dep ban siulut ye ke pisah baro bat hadien bala penbiang lut ye ke jing donkam on sa IT ye ke yeng na ke benta ban pendonkam.
Has already decided to purchase a land and a building in Bangalore for setting up of the Meghalaya House, and the process is done. So the process of setting up Meghalaya House in Bangalore is almost completed. We have paid, we have purchased the building, and I think if I'm not wrong, in a matter of 2 months, 3 months, by maximum of November before December, we will start functioning of Meghalaya House in Bangalore very, very soon.
Kaseng Nyotrap Youth Council lani HYC Raj Yap Nga Circle kala ai jing rap ya kawai kalong yeng ka bamat jing e akasnong menri umsning na dakitiar bapendon kam malagasngi ki jan bat kapisa kani ka jing lej ai jing rap jong ki kalong hadien bakila lej jingo e kawai kalong yeng ka ba ukpa ka yeng udon ha pedeng jing shitom bat thiapang bat ka kemi marwei ka hab ban pendap penbiang lut ya baro ki jing don kam.
Kum kaseng ni layok ni mi ya kawai kalong yeng ka ba mat ke jingpang ke justom ban nilayok lu ba ni kran badi ba kalian jadi kum keseng ni nasaki sisa dalam ki jong kikmat ba kate ke ying kadan kam sisa ya ke jingrap ban kalian jadi kum keseng ni la persyang ban walat ban wanti ban minta kesni ni kalian jadi kum keseng ni layok ban ai subhai i da kane ka kors ujan kum si benta ban kersan lem ni
La rakhe ya ka Garo Labour Corps dia ka bashispa nyusnam da ka jing shit hem ba ka jing ya ai burom han nong ba atura ne sngi ak bala bu ikisentio kum ka jing burom ya ki brio ki bala khun nak thma ba ban ningkong bat la pelong ru ya ka jing ngap jar ka bashipor bat ka jing duai la pelait ru ya ka kot achek rangani France ona riangani ka bamud the Garo Labour Corps World War 1 bala penmi da useming di sangma ubadai senior librarian HTC Menteri Ketnat Housing Marcus N Marak ula ong ba ka komiti kala pendep ya ka jing tmu na ka benta ka jing tei umat sa kan mau ha babu para lakmi lenti ban bu no sian ya mau nongrem bat ya uni umat sa kan mau on sala ban tei no ha usnam banwan UJD Sangma ubadai chairman jong Katura Municipal Board habaya kran bekla pathai khubor ula penpau ya ka jingkmen bar ula yo i ya ka jingwan yishim benta jong ki bobon ha ka baulay ro ya ka jing shithem ya jing yishim benta jong ki nong treimon ngubha ki khna bat ki pait ba
sacrifice ka niko wa mangni achina rama me so pang niko jingis krana maina ya mga china sungna misok ang ham jadi cadam berang na misok ang ham ini mana jeng cadam berang sakan diku mong na skin dasyo ibidikedi padot pa ganang inga na sung niku mai ko mangkin ko sandi na be niya kanina omchong mata na sung na mai ko naman sekalian na mai ko sekalian magmedia ko sandi sana.
We had a lot of participations from different NGOs and organizations like Mothers Union. We have all the senior citizens leaders plus many of the senior citizens were also present. And we also have a lot of mothers. Besides leaders of the Mothers Union, a lot of mothers also came to take part. And the best thing is that we had a lot of students coming from different schools.
Kalalong ka klip mat jong ka jingkemen ka bakraw na kabenta ka nong syongshnong jong ka tain Rani Bari hakabaw MLA jong ka jirang uba sosni sotun ula pli perda ya ka Rani Bari Health Sub Center ne ka singi. Kani ka Sub Center kan ai jing shakri ya ki pai nong syongshnong jong ki khat artli ka shnong kaput ha ka tain Rani Bari lingba kani ka center ki nong syongshnong jong ka tain na do nang ne shakmat kinum don kam shu bandet chado war mausau pathar khma lani watcha shiliang ka Assam na kabenta banyo ya ki jing sumar uba sotun la penpawi ka jing kemen ka bakraw namar ulala ban pen urlong ya ka jing angnut ka ba ula angnut la slembha ula penpawru ba ka jing plie ya ka Sop Center ka lalong ka wei na ki jing kular bakongsan ka jong u sha ki pait ba ha ka po ba uya lap election house nam a ja khapra ba ula sngo kemen shibun ba ula ban pen urlong ka tkum ka juban lak ka ba ula khlei.
That in future we can get easily for the expansion of this sub-center into a CHC or to many other expansion if needs to in the future. So I would like to request to the people who are residing in the border, be friends with the doctors, with the medical officers who will be looking under this sub-center, and you have to also take the benefits which you are going to get from this sub-center.
Kum ka jing pen kre ban kan tieu gi kam le kai limba ka jing ai jing hikai ka bapaka ka jala Meghalaya ka la pelong ia ka jing kendu bat unong mi khmat hi kam le kai limpat na ka ri Japan ha Anton Hall Don Bosco Shillong la pelong ya kini ka jing lang namar ba ka jala kan sepenyat ya ka National Games ka ban salong bat kani ka jing kendu ka long kum ka jing pen kre ban kan tieu ya kinong le kai sports bat ya ka jing ai jing hikai ka bapaka tungin ya khmi company halo kani ka khubor.
Lingba ka jingwani shimenta jang u Yoshi Maru yana gawa ubadei unong hikai ka Japan's National Wrestling but ubala yoru iya ka jing itu ha ka perthe ku munong hikai batbet ubala ai jing hikai ye ki babun kinang ile kai kun thubru ya armut ki bra yo khori ka tak maksiar ha ka Olympic but saumut ki bra yo khojing job ha ka Limpong World Championship kalawan ra iya ka jing smuthu ka bajana halor kan ni ka jing ile kai but ka jing sha ha ka ni ka program.
We came here to teach how technique about wrestling technique because it's new sport for this town. That's why we came from Japan.
So how many days have you been teaching?
6 days before we came in. We are going back tomorrow morning. Probably not yet because they just started. Because many people started from MMA, not from wrestling. And our wrestler, we came here, they're Olympic champion, world champion. They started like 4 years old, and they're like 24 years old. So they already wrestled 20 years every day. So we just started this year, wrestling about 3 years ago. So not enough yet, but maybe later.
Haga ni kasingi lai don langru kanong job haga jing la kai lempat haga Olympic jong snam aja pusa belalong ha Paris ka Sakaru Motoki bat ka Ami Ishi ka babat ya kanam ladu haga berthei haga jing la kai lempat ka jing don ka jongki banya merjumut bat kisam lai la kai lempat na ka jella kala ai men sim shibu ni kisam la ki udang pen kre banya khun haga National Games.
Potential so low technique level, but they are very nice guy. Yes, nice face.
Ya kini kinong mikmat dapat ku buram haka program da kinong mikmat na katanat sport jong jela ki bakanthop yu ba John F. Khashing go babat ku president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association but iba Isaac Kamaplang ubalong president ka Meghalaya Wrestling Association. Kinapanya jong kanika program kiloong baka nika sinjam kan penslor but I must see mikisamla badon sap nagajala.
We are looking forward to taking this further to get high performance quality training. We are discussing with the government, and hopefully it will fructify that our athletes in preparation for national games get exposed to high performance quality training. Right? Of course, it may not be all. You will be conducting Bazaya and team, they will be conducting the trials. So thank you very much to Johnson, all the way from Garo Hills, and the team from Garo Hills, from Jainti Hills, Basan. Thank you very much for all the athletes and all from East KHASI Hills, Northstone, East and West KHASI Hills. Keep it up, work hard.
Kenapa kejala kena banpau haki kami lekai hakmat kari kum kani gajing etrelang lakmi lenti bahkan kenti yakirukom ajing hikai kabapaka ban bansei klori lekai kibatibet na kejala. Bureau Report di News Meghalaya.
Mentangin nyepet ya kajing long jingman kasum neng hatura kajing kreat kalong apsan degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong laipu R degree Celsius kajing sengam hau kalong nyo punriu nuksispa bat kajing hap slap kalong iway point nyo millimeters. Abapai pat sunong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong arpuway degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpu R degree Celsius kajing sengam hau kalong kandai pulai nuksispa bat kajing hap slap kalong san point san millimeters. Kat bahajuai pat kajing kreat kalong arpo degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpulai degree Celsius kajing sengam hau kalong kandai pusan nuksispa bat kajing hap slap kalong point san millimeters. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap kaba melu mala bat kajing tiat upertat haki babun kijaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Syaban poi syek bakut jong ketuk kubor ni pek biang sa esen ni mat bakongsan. Bok thong kesoka jela ban siu dep ekaram ke ban rus pa rup sau kelur tingka syaka NTPC tat hada usnam ahajar arpunyo. Banjur ubah AL hack bagaseng BJP kan job bun teli kisuki hak election jong ke yang dapat tau an ke jela ke ban salong ha usnam ahajar arpopra. Kajing nang hiar jong ka hakawa yam kala penkuslai jengmut yo menteri kenat boarding U80 mondal bat ong balada ka sung beneng kan yai beteng ban rang ka soka kan hap ban shim deki weipat ki senjam ban pendap ya kajing don kam boarding. Badan sedang penteri kamno ke Meghalaya House Bangalore tat hadu ubnai no pra pentip ka sokar ba kajing penkre kalaya chekmat. Keparlok katungi lapoi cibakut jong ketuk pebor jing mentaga janmiet ngin sesiam yang pilasai kesengi haga juk kapor kubli shiboni pibaro.
সর্বস্তরের গরিব মানুষ সবার বিষয়ে যে সবকা সাথ সবকা বিকাশ বিশ্বাস সেই ধ্যান ধারণা নিয়ে উনি আজকে কাজ করছেন। আমরাও কিন্তু সেই দিশায় আমরা কাজ করছি। বিশ্বকর্মা যোজনা